How to draft a winning tax writ petition in Pakistan. Struggling with a tax dispute? Want to challenge it in the High Court of Pakistan? Here's how to draft a tax writ petition that stands out. Stay tuned, we'll guide you step by step. A tax writ petition is your key to challenge unjust tax decisions. Crafted under the Income Tax Ordinance 2001 or Sales Tax Act 1990, it must align with Pakistan's legal framework. Precise drafting ensures your complaint is taken seriously. Ready to get it right? Start with clear identification. Names, signatures, and jurisdiction details must be airtight. Lay out your tax grievance succinctly but persuasively. Strong evidence paired with logical arguments ensures your claims hold weight. Always support your case legally. Follow a systematic checklist to avoid errors. Double-check factual accuracy, legal citations, and adherence to court formats. Missing details or procedural errors could delay justice. Perfect every detail for a petition the court can't ignore. Now you know the building blocks of an effective tax writ petition. Take action, gather your facts, consult the law, and start drafting. Don't let a weak presentation cost you your justice. For expert guidance, consult Tax Dosti team at taxdosti.com.